What I have here is a 1100S round. It's a mop. It's a very stiff brush. Very, very stiff. You can actually use an old brush that you have. So I have an old brush here. It's a filber and it's seen better days. I can turn this into a scrub brush. I have to be honest with you that the brushes at Dollar Tree are a no-no. So I have some really sharp scissors here. I'm going to move this out of the way. And these little scissors are really sharp. I'm trying to get that straight as I can. It has a little bit of an angle to it, but it's nice and short and stiff. And that is what you need. Over here, I'm going to do some dry brushing. So I put my brush in the white paint, and I'm just going to scrub some of it off. I'm just scrubbing in some white, and that sort of gives her eye some highlight. Proper tools are important in anything that you do. And this actually isn't working out bad. It has an angle, and I was just trying to help you find something that you have that you can use. If you have an old brush, try doing that. Actually, this came out very, very good. Okay, so the next thing, I am going to do the same thing to her lips. Really scrubbing that out. And I am going to have a wet... Why is it you can never find something when you had it right in front of your face like 2 moments ago? I don't know. Can you believe that my Q-tips were like so in front of my face? I went upstairs, I got Q-tips, I came down, sat down. Honest to God. Welcome to my world. So I did go upstairs and get Q-tips, and I had some that have a real point on them. And I have been looking for these. I haven't come across them yet. I have 2 Q-tips right here in my palette. Annie. All right. Get over it, Annie. I have my Q-tip. I want a wet Q-tip because acrylic paint dries really, really, really fast. And you can correct it, but you gotta be really fast. Alright, so I have my dry brush, and I did go over the middle, didn't I? Yeah. So I just want to give her some highlight, really light touch on her lips. It tones down that red too. You know what? It is good. It is very good. Your finger is also a good tool. It looks really good, even if I do say so myself. Let's see what is next. I just made a major decision. Because she's next to this, I think I am going to give her spiky hair and do some orange in it so it'll coordinate with this. First, we'll do it in pencil. Now, your hair has a part. Well, most people have a part in their hair. So you want to follow that part. So let me just go like this, and it's going to come down on her face. and it's going to go back up. And I'm going to my pencil keeps going on its own because it has a layer. Actually, there's a hair like embedded. And you know what? So what? Now, what did I tell you about covering her eye? Which is great. Does this look scary? A little bit. I have no clue. This part is not planned in my head. I'm just doing it. You know, I want to give her a necklace over here. I'm going to have to remember that. Oh yeah, it's good enough because there's going to be more layers there. And let's do that for her hair. She's a girl with spiky hair. Good. Very good. Now, I'm going to really freak you out. So here are my pens. Too many. I need a Sharpie fine point permanent marker. And this one has seen better days. So I really need a new one. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. All right. So now I do have to pay attention. I am going to, see, I have her eye covered over here. I should have it covered more because, oh, looking at that eye, right? Let's do this. Yeah. All right, here we go. I am going to go on each of those lines that I made. That goes up. And this Sharpie has seen better days. I have got to find a newer Sharpie.